Hello, I'm Tim Flory, and today we're going to talk about something that can affect just about anyone at any age. Something so much more common than most people would expect, and that is TMJ pain. What is TMJ, and what is a real potential natural treatment for TMJD? So what is TMJ really? Well, first let's explain what TMJ is, because many are confused about the difference between TMJ and TMJD. TMJ is an acronym for the temporomandibular joint, which is the joint just in front of your ear where the temporal bone and the mandible, or your jawbone, come together. This joint allows you to open and close your mouth to eat, talk, yawn, yell, etc. TMJD, on the other hand, is an acronym for the temporomandibular joint disorder, which is when there is an abnormality of this joint, and sometimes it is also abbreviated as TMD. Like I said, it can get confusing. Some of the symptoms you may feel with TMJ dysfunction are pain in your face, near the jaw joint area, and down your neck and shoulders, even in and around your ear when you chew, speak, or open your mouth. Problems when you try to open your mouth wide or just normal talking. Jaws that get stuck and freeze or lock in the open or closed mouth positions. A clicking or popping sound, and even grating sounds in the jaw joint when you open or close your mouth to chew that may or may not be painful. A tired feeling in the muscles of your face or jaw. Extreme trouble chewing or a sudden uncomfortable bite, swelling on the side of your face from talking or eating, and it can even trigger headaches. But the question is, what really causes TMJ? And the answer that most medical professionals will tell you is that they just don't know. But there are a few deductions they have, and that these problems arise with the muscles of your jaw and with the parts of the joint itself and its associated ligaments. So certain things that can injure the muscles or ligaments, like a heavy blow to the side of the face in contact sports like MMA, boxing, wrestling, or even falling on the side of your head. A whiplash incident, consistent bad posture for days or months on a non-structurally supportive environment. Even something like going on a roller coaster as your head moves around erratically from side to side. And of course, many other life incidents. So how does one treat TMJ naturally? Well, if you've been diagnosed with TMJ or have any of the previously mentioned conditions, then most of the time, the first step is to offer muscle relaxers and even addictive pain medication to deal with the episodes of TMJ. And if that doesn't work, then sometimes it is recommended to see a dentist to perhaps see if oral surgery on your jaw or even removal of teeth is an option. But that only addresses the tip of the iceberg. And what a lot of TMJ sufferers don't know is that there is a much less aggressive and potentially more result-driven natural treatment for this disease. It is called NUCCA, and it's a practice that takes a deeper look at the alignment of the craniocervical junction, or where your head sits on your neck, and the surrounding muscles and ligaments that can be causing the issues associated with TMJ. Dentists typically refer to the jaw as a counterbalance to the head on top of the spine. And a neuromuscular dentist is the best type of dentist to see in order to restore your bite. But ideally, a NUCCA specialist should be seen simultaneously, because trying to correct the jaw without correcting the head and neck alignment is like trying to build a house without laying the foundation first. It's not the best approach. In fact, a research study from 2016 in the dental journal called Cranio demonstrated that a patient's bite, or the TMJ alignment, is changed the majority of the time when the NUCCA procedure is used to correct the atlas misalignment and the posture of your head and neck. Now, if you have more questions, then you can learn more about NUCCA in a video below, or you can visit our website, atlasbrainspine.com, where we have a knowledge base on both TMJD and how NUCCA can be a first option as opposed to a last resort to treat your TMJ naturally and get your face and your jaw feeling normal for years to come. Again, my name is Tim Flory, and if you feel that this was especially helpful in educating you about TMJ, then please take a moment to hit that subscribe button so you can get notified about other great natural healing solutions to problems usually brushed under the pharmaceutical medication rug. And that way you'll never miss out on learning more about how restoring your brain can heal your pain on so many levels. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time. When you restore your brain, you heal your pain. Anybody seen my brain?